Back in Marbella, let me show you what we're up to right now. As you can see, the wall has now been placed. It has been made thicker. So now we also marked again where the electricity boxes will be and the piping, the lines. As you can see, we already started doing that within the flooring. So we got all these black tubing going in, which are the lines for the electricity. They've all been drawn out. A lot here, as you can see, will go under the floor. As you can see, so it's marked, then we phrase the wall, and then we put the tubes in. And the same goes for the master bedroom. As you can see, the second bedroom stays as it is, but now we have a enough thickness to actually place the electricity boxes for the switches and sockets. And as you can see in the master bedroom, it happened the same. So we actually doubled the thickness of the wall from the bathroom all the way down that size. So now it's the correct size. As you can see here, we already started doing the niche as well in this bathroom, which has a separate toilet with a door, and then we have a separate shower here with a vanity on this side, a wardrobe, and the bed.